Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's part of Pootles Advent Countdown, except it's not a tutorial, it's a showcase. So, Pootles Advent Countdown, if you don't know what it is, 25 projects of Advent. 25 of them coming out to you. At the moment it's one a week, but next week we go up to 2 a week. Mondays and Wednesdays, all the way through till Christmas. Festive projects, and today I wanted to showcase these. So these are my customer thank you gifts and cards, and I made a whole load of each different one. So this is just one of each of the colourways, and I used the Gingham cottage paper, which you'll be forgiven if you've missed it. In the catalogue, let me find out which page it's on, 58 to 59. It's lovely. It's this one here. And it's really nice, all those different colours, and I've used all of the colours, and it's lovely. But it's lovely because each sheet has got black or grey or white, or black and white, or grey and black. You can get the idea. So what I did is I took a base colour cardstock that would match the designer series paper on the front, and then I did a matte in black to match the black that would be in the background, and that's repeated all the way around, so you get this sort of different colour. So those are the coloured cards that I had, and yes, there are two in this one. So that's Blushing Bride, Real Red, Calypso Coral, So Saffron, Mint Macaron and Garden Green. All of them have got a black matte here, but then you get the different colours. So you see I've got a different pattern there to there. So all of these have got a different pattern to them. Let me get them so you can see all of them. And a different colour. Those two are the only ones that have got the same background. No, sorry, I lied. Those have got the same background and those have got the same background. It's this bit here. All 7 of them are different. And yeah, I like the look. I thought it was quite a fun Christmas card idea. Then paired up with Penguin Place. Now, Penguin Place came out last year, then went on break basically for about 9 months and came back again. This is the one that's got the fabulous Penguin Builder Punch, as you can see there. I never put feet on my penguins. Don't really know why, but anyway, so Oliver did all of the stamping and the punching of these, and then I put a photo on Instagram. He stamped all their little beaks and bows. So they've all got the same coloured beak, which is pumpkin pie, and their bows are all sweet sorbet. I was going to say poppy parade, it's not, it's sweet sorbet. And yeah, so I just think they're an awful lot of fun. This bit here, punched with this label, so Jacob took over and did this bit for me, and we managed to squeeze Have a Sweet Christmas from the Sweet Gingerbread onto there. So yes, it's 2 stamp sets, yes, it's 2 punches, but I love it. And it was very little paper, actually. Surprisingly, it was not as much paper as you would think, but I love them. I thought they were a lot of fun. And then, so those are the thank you cards. I always make a card or a gift, but then I always send a gift as well. So everybody who shopped with me in September got a packet of the Real Red and White Glimmer paper. I've got a packet open, I'm going to show you, and a packet of the Peekaboo treats. So the Peekaboo treat bags even look like this, and I want to say you get 10 in total, and they are food safe. So again, obviously I've got a packet open, and they are very firm grip seal, and you put your sweeties or goodies, or you might have, I don't know, made some biscuits or cookies or something, pop them in there and then decorate at leisure. So you've got 5 of that, 5 in the brown, it's probably craft is the official term, and 5 in the white. And then the glimmer paper is gorgeous, and I love the fact that it's 6 by 6. So you get 4 of this stunning red, and our glimmer paper, nothing comes off. There's not a speck. There is a speck. Nothing comes off. And then this lovely white, but it's not silvery white. I don't think I'm going to get you any kind of look at that, am I? Oh, there we go. It's a soft, subtle shimmer. And there's 4 of each of those. So yeah, those were my gifts to everybody who shopped with me this month. Those are mine. those are going to go in the post with one of these. But yeah, so everybody who shopped with me, so I've got dozens of these now. We had a lot of fun, and Oliver, yeah, he concentrated very hard to get the beaks and the bows lined up. And I thought you'd like to see them. So a slightly different Christmas card idea. I don't know which one's my favourite. I want to say the yellow, actually. I really like this So Saffron one. And the red, because, you know, it's me and red. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.